Do you forget to eat fruit every day? To maintain your health, don't forget to include fruit in your daily diet. Here is your lesson today. Learn how to call in English. Grapes. 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 Strawberry. 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 Honeydew melon. Honeydew melon. Honeydew melon. Cantaloupe. 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 Pomegranate. 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 Apricot. 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 Avocado. 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 Pineapple. 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 Raspberry. 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 Blueberry. 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 Persimmon. 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 Lime. 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 Lemon. 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 Gooseberry. 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 Custard apple. Custard apple. Custard apple. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and comment below.